Hi guys, I am April Jackson, beautifully and wonderfully made. Today I'm going to show you guys what to do if your the top platen of your heat press won't go down. I actually had this issue and I looked all over YouTube. I could not find the answer. So now that I have the answer, I want to make a video and show you guys so you won't be lost like I was. So here goes. All right, so if you are trying to let your top platen down, I think that's the technical name, the right name for I don't know. But if you're trying to let your the top of your heat press down and it won't stay down to keep popping back up, 9 times out of 10 there's too much pressure, and so what you need to do is you need to screw the top knob with that. You see my top knob with the orange at the top. You're gonna screw it to the right. You screw it to the right to unloosen it. You only want to do a little at a time to unscrew it, and you'll do it until you hear the top plate snap, and you'll know when like that. You'll know. Now in my case was different because I knew the basics. I've had a heat press before. I knew the basics. I knew to turn a knob to release the pressure or to put more pressure. I knew that much. But my platen wouldn't go down even when I turned the knob. When I turned the knob, all it did the top orange part came off. My heat press is brand new. My sister bought it for me for my birthday and as an investment into my business. So I knew that it was something wrong when I was turning that knob and nothing was happening. So I ended up watching a video on Facebook from Fancierstudio, which is where I got my heat press from. So what they say is to get a wrench and you twist the wrench. You put the wrench on the bottom on that. I don't know. It looks like a screw, but it's not an actual screw. I don't know the technical name. I'm a girl. I don't know. I didn't even know this was called a wrench. But you twist it to the right while you're twisting the top knob to the left. So you do it at the same time until it's tight. You want the two to connect. So you'll just do it until it's tight. Once it's tight enough, you should be able to close your top platen. And I haven't had any issues since I did that. Like it was so awesome. Like so simple. And I was so worried, but it was easy peasy. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm sorry I don't know the technical names for these parts, but there you are.